Often there will be dealer installed options sitting on the unit record, and when it comes to the customer order level, you may not want to show those installed options to the customer. And that can be resolved at the level of the customer order. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here we have this customer order for Ryan, and here's our unit deal. Now, when we open up the records, let's take a look at the unit being sold. Now in here, you'll notice the base unit price, factory options, dealer installed options, and options and fees. Now this one here, dealer installed options. Currently, if we were to print a bill of sale, let's have a look at what we would see. There it is. We see the base unit, we see the dealer installed options, labor and parts, as well as we see the factory installed options at 500. Now let's take another look at removing this. Further to that, at the level of the unit record, we can also see here's what's happening. So this will be on the unit record, and this is what we want to remove. So let's go ahead and let's first of all remove this $315 from the dealer installed options. All you have to do is go to edit pricing, and now we'll just want to zero these. Now keep in mind, if you've taken $315 away from the dealer installed options, you'll likely want to add it here. And you can go ahead and save it. So with this now, the customer will be seeing the factory installed options if that's what you'd like. But if you don't want the customer seeing dealer installed options, which might be a PDI or something like that, now those will be removed. So let's go ahead and print the bill of sale again and see the results. There you have it. You have the base, and you only have the factory options at this point, the 500. Now keep in mind, you could also go back into that customer order if you'd like, and you could also then remove that 500 by way of removing the shiny bits here in the factory options. And then of course, you would want to update your base unit price as well.